Okay, we have 20 minutes to figure out who among us are the 3 aliens.
Okay.
And then we
We're
push
in
the
the
button
chat.
and jettison those people into space.
How do we do it? We just talk to each other now?
I think there's
Alex, you're
games.
first captain.
Oh, okay,
I am.
there's games.
There's like drawing games, there's
Alright.
like question games.
Neat, huh? Choose an available room from your desired
Let's do some
participants.
drawing. That's fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I think they pick like who they want to be in the
Oh.
game, yeah. So like you put in the players that you want to commit to
Oh,
a
I get
test.
to draw.
Wait,
Oh,
wait,
okay,
wait.
I'm drawing.
Oh, who chooses?
I choose because I'm the first like captain.
Oh,
He's
okay.
the captain, yeah, he gets to
All right.
choose.
So you're judging us,
Oh.
Maybe
Based on
this
what
is
we
the
do?
barber speaking, but
and then you're deciding.
What happens if you push the
welcome to the
button?
drawing quarters.
I think you kill
You'll be
somebody.
given
Because I already know who the aliens are.
Don't kill the wrong people.
Because the alien virus will give our intruders a similar yet
Oh,
different.
interesting.
The drawing
So the
board
aliens get a
will
different prompt than the
cast
humans.
Interesting.
suspicion
Okay.
on to who they are.
Oh my god.
All
So you
right.
have to guess based on.
As
Oh,
time goes
oh
on,
gosh.
I'll do my best to send the
Okay.
aliens harder prompts. You'll
So
all-
my screen doesn't play nothing. Is that
No, not
normal?
yet. Right, because each captain chooses.
How many captains are on this
You're not in the
ship,
game.
Alex?
You're
there are
not
a
in the
lot.
game. In this game.
I don't think we're going to be drawing for 20 minutes. No, it
Boy, I
seems
hope
like
not.
a minute maybe.
Because I am terrible at drawing on the
This is
screen.
bad. Oh, this is real
I
bad.
had
I love
to,
it. I love it.
Mine's terrible.
I had to put Andrew back in for SpongeBob and Hannah.
Perfect. It's not
Flower
perfect.
champion.
I need a reference.
All right, so
right.
draw a historical figure.
And how
Okay.
did the subjects respond?
Someone just draws. This is Narlax.
Oh god.
We.
Answer seems suspicious.
Wait. Okay. Do we have to guess what the
Oh
figures
my
are?
You have
god.
to guess who the alien is. So it's the person who didn't do that.
To each other
Okay.
and find
Who didn't do that?
Who didn't do a historical figure.
Okay, it's the
Among
alien.
you are
Yes.
aliens and will be
Okay.
lying.
Okay. I don't know. Do I have to? Can I
You
skip?
have to pick somebody.
You don't
I'm
have
not
to
sure.
do anything you don't want to do.
If I'm not sure.
And then you push,
And then I push?
the button.
Next captain, you're in charge.
So we didn't find the alien yet.
No.
Okay, let's get a move on.
I think we're like
Another
doing
room
different
can
things to
test
try
you.
to
There's
to
less
narrow it
questions.
down.
Yeah.
Oh, I get to pick again, I guess.
Oh no,
Okay.
Hannah does.
Shadow the Potato says, I think the alien might be Joel.
Answer
Make sure we
honestly,
test- is
because
Peachy
it
up there?
will be scrutinized.
They haven't been tested yet.
Okay, so we can see who's been tested in their answers. Because we're probably gonna have to deliberate at the end.
Okay, so
Joel, I
to determine if any seem odd.
I'm very confused.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Joel, I was going to say, yours was a historical figure. It was Lawrence of Arabia.
Yeah, yeah. Wee!
Yeah.
Oh, that was Lawrence of
That was
Arabia?
Lawrence of Arabia. Oh, not cute, Peachy, Lieb, and Alex. All right.
Okay, answer the secret
All right.
question.
Rip Sean.
Good paying job.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ticket for
New
college
underwear.
graduate would
Okay.
be,
I don't know about
Who's the
that.
Is it
alien?
really a gift at that point? Come on, guys.
Gotti.
I don't trust.
Ooh.
Ooh, not cute. Not gonna make it.
Like an alien.
We don't trust you, not cute. Especially because you're not cute.
Yeah, that didn't help.
We only trust cute.
Hashtag Rip Sean in chat.
How are people thinking that money is an alien answer?
Money is a good.
Nobody
is a good
nobody
gift.
chose good paying job.
Yeah, that's weird. Well, actually, that makes
No,
sense.
no, it's not weird at all.
Is that even
Now
considered a
have the
gift?
ability to hack.
If your dad owns a
Could
company.
be, yeah.
When looking at their probe screen, an alien can select any
Oh,
human
okay, so the aliens
and
can probe
secretly give
people?
them the
Uh-huh.
alien
That makes
code.
sense. I
Yeah,
know that from the History Channel.
I've seen the X-Files show.
A human prompt. I hope you got all of that because
Oh,
there's
gosh.
no way I'm
I
Oh
didn't.
boy.
Oh no.
I didn't
Okay,
get any of
next
it.
captain, you're in
Wait,
charge.
what?
Oh
Lots
no,
of
it's
people
not
can hack.
cute.
I pick. Now I'm choosing the 4 people.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
What do we got?
Whoever
What do we
you
got?
suspect to be an alien, you test them.
Oh, I'm testing them.
A viewer, maybe?
Don't worry about that.
Joel.
Fake cute?
I don't think I freaked anybody out. But I
Oh.
think the right
Why is a bartender a robot who can test aliens?
Hang out and let your flags
Welcome.
fly.
Each participant will be presented
A
with
bold statement. I hate chocolate.
You will then provide your level of agreement
Oh, okay.
or
Okay.
disagreement.
And based on that, we can tell.
Okay, first of all, you can hate chocolate and be
But what
a
if,
human.
but what if
Yeah,
someone
yeah, yeah.
hates broccoli
They have to
and
justify an
see,
outlandish
that's
position.
this, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, you can hate chocolates and not be an
Let's see
alien.
what these
Yeah,
players have
but
to
that's
say.
why it's risking,
If they're
you
To be
know,
real with
choosing
you,
them.
I don't like chocolate
Pretty out
cake.
there.
Alien.
Alien.
Wow.
Alien. Matt's an alien.
I'm not alien.
That's the alien.
I'm not alien.
Didn't Glenn Danzig have that for his 25th?
Yeah, he's like, I hate chocolate.
All right.
Perfect.
Tell us your opinion,
And the
guys.
human prompt was, I'm obsessed with
Shadow the
politics.
Potato, all in caps. Joel, I think aliens.
What do you think? Look for someone answering.
Hannah
This is
is not obsessed with politics.
But that
Hannah,
I
you
think
are.
makes sense though.
I don't know.
I don't know about
Maybe
this
I don't
one,
hate
guys.
myself.
I don't know. Do you
Oh, Hannah might be alien.
slightly
I don't
agree?
know.
Strongly disagree?
No, I don't think any of these people are aliens.
I think all
I think
these
Hannah,
people are
alien.
normal. Yeah, I think we're all normal.
Hannah, vote for Bernie. 2016. Go back in
Oh,
time.
I'm allergic. Oh God.
What is Hannah up to, guys? Is she an alien? Is she not an alien? Sound off in chat.
I like how slightly agree. People are just like,
Yeah.
no one slightly is
No one
obsessed
just-
That
with
was me. I was just
Slightly,
salty. I voted for everyone else.
Somebody said, okay, just start yelling at each other now.
Just start screaming.
Hashtag Hannah alien. An alien.
An alien.
I have a weird feeling about Peachy.
I do have a weird feeling about Peachy.
Yeah.
Peachy, pick
Why
it.
am I off alone in that? Like, everyone was in the middle and I was off on the corner.
Oh, wait, what's happening?
Oh, Peachy's selecting people to probe.
Almost tried to test me. I was about to be insulted.
Is you accusing me?
I have a peachy feeling about Q.
Oh,
Push the button.
someone pushed a button. Who?
I did not push a button.
Wait, excuse me?
Somebody thinks that there's
Select
an alien.
players to isolate.
Actually thanked me.
Oh, I think Peachy is selecting somebody? No, not Cute is.
What are you doing?
What's going on here?
I need to choose 3 people to isolate.
Who are they?
Sarah?
Oh.
Hannah? Peachy?
Oh
Wow.
All right.
no! You think they are the aliens?
Finally,
Wait, how do we-
me.
Are they gonna...
You could be the alien. This is such an alien move.
I really don't think.
Sean might be the alien.
Yeah,
Sean- yeah,
aliens
he's trying to
choose
get rid of
non-aliens
aliens.
all the time and call them aliens.
I
not
really
an
think.
alien.
Okay, listen,
It
guys.
has to be a unanimous vote.
I really think
No.
that they're not.
Oh,
Has failed. Well, that
Well, I didn't
was a
even
bust.
vote, so.
The crew member who pushed
Somebody
the
must
Oh, you
press
can no
no.
longer push it.
Oh my gosh.
Your button pushing privileges have been
You know what
revoked.
button should be pushed? That subscribe button, guys. Get
smash it! Smash
You're
it!
in charge.
Just don't break it because we want
Oh,
other
it's
people to
my
use it too.
turn.
Oh, did we just
Okay.
skip
There are
over?
multiple
Yeah, I was
answers
about to be chosen for something.
All right, Sarah's
Because someone
picking.
pushed a button.
This is the most involved game by far. Lieb, you're in this one.
The suspicions are strong.
Yeah.
With me?
I want to see how this one goes down.
writing pod.
I'm not an alien, you
The
guys.
suspicions are strong.
Does the chat have any ideas of who the alien is?
Yeah, tell us.
Tell us.
Chat.
Let
I think
us
it's
know.
Chat, who's the alien?
Oddity's convinced it's Joel and Hannah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Chat, who do you
There's
think's the
3
alien?
though. There's
I've been
3 of
accused
them.
of
There's
worse.
3 aliens, so pick 3. Tell us who are the 3.
3 people.
Skylar says it's Hannah.
Oh, she
A lot
likes
of people
your
are saying
name.
Hannah is alien.
Skylar is like, that name is too cool for a human.
There's a lot of Hannahs in chat.
Oh no.
An alien.
Because
Hashtag an
I didn't
alien.
know what to do when I had to draw the historical figure. So I just wrote, oh God.
Stefan says it's Sean, number 1. 2, it's RJ. 3, it's Sean again.
RJ's not playing.
Yeah.
I
Go
agree.
Sean 3 times. Then.
I think it's RJ.
RJ's not playing.
RJ might be alien. Hashtag an alien.
He is certainly Bay.
Has everybody
Is
submitted?
everybody submitted?
I
or-
submitted.
If the timer runs out, the aliens win.
Right, so one of these people probably
Oh no!
is an alien.
I'm so.
I think one of these people might be an alien because they're letting the timer run out.
Can I press
God.
Timer.
I can press hurry.
Come on, people.
Yeah, hit the hurry button.
It's looking real suspicious for Peachy.
Peachy's
Oh
looking
my
like they might be an
God.
alien.
Peachy's not in this.
Oh, never mind.
They're not being tested.
I still think it's Peachy.
Peachy's not
Still
being
might be
tested.
Peachy.
Wait, a viewer. Who's a viewer?
That's it. That's gotta be
Hurry
it.
up, it's
All right.
happening.
All right, what
Wait, push the button, and can we all send the viewer?
Well, you gotta pick 3 to send out.
Oh, okay.
okay.
The viewer.
I'm not gonna put you push the button if you want
Human
to.
He
Deceived.
says don't sleep on not cute.
I would probably use the word mouth-watering to describe.
All right, this should be good.
Bacon.
Ooh.
Do
Ooh.
any of these answers seem
Florbo.
Terry Crews. Terry
Succulent
Crews.
steak. Terry Crews.
A viewer.
Lorgo
Get out of here, a
Florbin.
viewer.
Largo
I don't know.
Foreman, man.
This is pretty good.
That viewer needs to
Yeah.
go back home.
Why? Wait, who gave me alien? Terry Crews is mouthwatering. He is a full-on snack.
I agree.
He is a snack.
Hashtag Harry Crews is a snack.
Harry Crews?
Harry Crews. Hashtag Harry Crews 2020.
Harry Crews 2020, dude.
It has to be a viewer. Has to be a viewer.
I think
Lorbo Furbin, no response. That is exactly what an alien would say.
so. I'm pushing my button, guys.
But who?
But you have to have
Besides a
3.
viewer.
I'm going to make a
button
guess.
push.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
I'm going to make a guess, okay? It's going to be a viewer.
Nice. Agree.
It's going to,
Whom will you isolate?
it's going to be a
There's
viewer.
still a lot of time
I
left.
think-
Are you absolutely
I think
sure
it might
you
be
got
Matt.
this right?
Me?
And by consensus, I'm putting Hannah in there.
I swear to God.
Oh gosh.
Jack
Okay,
thinks
guys,
it's Hannah.
off a
let's
little
vote.
bit.
Let's vote.
No. I am not an
Let's
alien.
vote. Let's vote, everybody.
I'm just Jewish. It's not the same.
You can't pull that card, okay?
I have my yarmulke.
Come on, everybody. Let's unanimously
You
vote.
can't
Let's
put
kick
a
these
yarmulke
people
If you
out.
do this,
Let's
Are
kick
they
these people
aliens?
out. I think they're
might
aliens.
I just want to let you
One
know, if you
alien
do
here.
this,
Personally, I'm cool with
you are an
that.
anti-Semite.
Look, it's definitely a viewer and
Come on.
Hannah, and
A viewer is for
he's
sure
really
in.
fighting for it. He's really fighting. Vote fail.
really
Come on.
upset.
I said no.
No, everyone's
you.
convinced
I
that
don't
it's me,
think
so
Hannah
what-
is an alien. I think it's
I don't-
not cute. I think maybe Joel.
Get
Hey,
one
hey, I'm just playing the game over here.
Man,
Awfully quiet over
Yeah,
there
you're
for a
playing the
human.
you guys, that was our best shot to throw out the aliens. You ruined
Joel,
it.
you're the next
You're
one.
definitely-
Nice. Oh yeah, these are my
This
first
is
time
how
doing this.
people turn
Okay.
on each other, by the way.
Drawing. Drawing's fun.
Again.
Drawing's fun. Okay, I think it might be.
I am very suspicious about how hard Matt fought there.
Oh, just because I pulled out my yarmulke and put it on instead of you choose me, you're an anti-Semite.
Sean, what are you?
I'm an artist.
He's not cute. He's not cute.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna be an artist in a second. All right, and then
okay?
boop and boop. All right.
Oh, I have to draw again?
Yeah,
I'm not
the
good at
artist. Here
drawing.
we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Pick me for the worst stuff. Someone should push their button after this and do another vote.
Draw.
I
Draw a bottle of shampoo. Oh, they're
boy.
all
Oh, but a bottle.
Oh.
not
A shower.
a shower. Interesting. The person who wants to press the button a lot.
Yes!
Look,
Oh,
man.
something an alien
You know the
might want to
difference.
do.
No,
You
look,
know the
man.
difference.
Between a shower and a bottle of shampoo.
I
No,
think
it's
he
like
might.
the shampoo's on his head. You see?
Hashtag Andrew's an alien.
What are we looking at?
Shampoo's on his
What's
head.
not cute though? Is that what? It says lemon.
Wait, what?
Hold on. What is that?
Wait, what?
Okay, that's
I think-
alien.
All right.
That is
That's
alien-ish.
So
Come
not
on.
cute and then Andrew.
It's lemon
What do you mean me? What is this? What is
herbal
this? Look,
Why did he draw a shower? Somebody said
because there's shampoo on. It says shampoo.
Yeah, I don't
Look what
believe
Peachy
it.
did. Peachy did freaking Winnie the Pooh.
Sounds like an alien
It
to me.
did look like a
This
can.
is gonna
All
fix
right.
Itself. Figure this out, please.
Someone should push their button and do a vote.
And I'm voting.
Someone should do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Oh
lost
my
my
gosh.
privilege.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Another chance. To
All right, we know it.
Come on, you know I'm a human, man.
You know
Yeah,
it's, you know it's a viewer.
The way you said that, I'm
Yeah,
like,
totally what an alien is.
Yo, man, I'm
Sounds
totally a
like-
human.
No.
All right.
That's what
like
aliens say.
For sure
Not
not
cute.
cute.
And
Yeah.
a viewer.
And
Viewer.
A viewer.
You gotta
All
put, you
right.
gotta put Hannah in there.
Should
Yeah.
it be Hannah or a viewer?
Viewer.
A viewer.
A viewer.
A
Okay.
viewer.
Get a viewer out of
Get
here.
a viewer out of here.
Okay, time to
Come on, don't vote. Don't vote me out,
Yes,
guys.
we're
Come
all-
on.
No. This
I
is for
fought for you.
sure alien
I
territory.
fought for you
Bye-bye.
all.
Bye-bye. Get out.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
oh, I'm so.
Well, you guys got one out of the three.
Oh, were you?
I was.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
You killed 2 humans! You evil people! You killed 2 humans! 2 innocent. Look at that!
No.
You listened. He
gosh.
totally played you like a fiddle.
No.
Wait,
I
You
knew
guys.
John called it.
And it was peachy. They did like a can.
I would like to point out that I was
But I
one of
lost.
them.
I know
you were.
you had to lose for me to win.
No, you sacrificed me. We were supposed to be on the same team.
I needed everybody.
we were
thought we were gonna
supposed to be a
Look,
team.
look,
We have the
look at
aliens
it.
won.
It's unfortunate we didn't get to kill more people.
Oh my
Gia.
god.
We were supposed to be a team of aliens, Joel.
Gia was hurrying 9
I'm
times.
so hurt.
Captain
Temporary. You were captain for 0 times.
Yeah, I didn't even get to be a captain.
Captain complete.
Oh, Shadow of the
participated in
Pegasus, what
3
did I
tests.
tell you, Joel?
Can we get more
Guys,
bits on?
you should all be ashamed at how
Lieutenant
Oh,
Wax,
you didn't hurry at all.
skillfully Joel played you all.
That was merciless.
you are a monster.